In today's video, we'll see how do we integrate GitHub repository with Eclipse. There are a few simple steps to be followed to do this. First, log into your GitHub repository, click on the clone or download button and then copy the URL from Git. Go to your Eclipse. Here you say file and then import. While importing, select Git and project from Git and then say next. Here you select clone URI, say next. Paste the URL that you have copied from Git and say next. It takes few seconds to give the details of your Git repository. In my Git, I just have master. If you've configured your Git with the branches, all your branches will get listed out here, so you can select accordingly and then say next. Here I'll just change the path where I want to save my project in my local, so I'll give it as C drive test automation. I'll put it there. I think there is something in my project repository. Okay, now it is list. Okay, let me create another folder. And then I use the same. And then I say next. Here it takes a couple of minutes to clone the project from Git. Okay, now it is done cloning the project from GitHub. So we can select import as a general project and just say next. At this point, what we have to do is we just go to the project which is already cloned or downloaded and select the .project file from here. Just select it and probably just go back and come again. The error is gone and we say finish. Okay, now this project is linked to the GitHub. I'll show you how do you synchronize it or push the changes into GitHub. So what you do is go to team, right click on your project, go to team, and here you say synchronize workspace. This will take you to another view where you can compare the files that you have changed. In case you are changing anything, you can see those files here. In our project, the .project file is newly added, so you can just right click and you can select any of these options like commit or commit and push. Okay, so this is the simple way to connect your project from Eclipse to GitHub and automatically push your changes into GitHub without worrying about the commands that you use in Git Bash or any other tool for that matter.